This is Geek the Sneak doing an install video on the M.2 technology. Here we go. Let's get it in. Okay, so go ahead and release this. So here, our static bag. Safety first, guys. Same for this guy. Right in the static bag. Alright. And M.2 technology. Something simple as this. This is going to be your actual 250 gigabyte. Just like so. So that's how it kind of looks, guys. Now I'm not going to go ahead and release the screw to go ahead and secure it down just as of yet, because I want to make sure that I don't have to make any kind of adjustments. I just wanted to go ahead and show you how it looks as far as the install goes. So yeah, this is a 250 gigabyte 860 EVO M.2 technology by Samsung, which you all know is the best. And when it comes to memory and of course anything in those regards. And yeah, 250 gigabytes. So let's go. Project Pubg PDX Land 31. Turn up.